Kia ora koto katoa. I'm not sure that we can sufficiently thank our teams who've been working tirelessly on the front line through COVID. But here goes. I did experience COVID in general practice for the first year or so, but the past few months have really intensified, and what I've seen from my clinics has been both worrying and also very inspirational. But I've also seen determination, flexibility, incredible resilience, and some of the most amazing examples of teams supporting one another that I've ever seen.
Despite all the changes and pressures, you guys have kept it together and you've found a way to respond to the impossible demands that we have faced. This ongoing crisis has showed us who the true superheroes are. It's not Batman or Superman, it's people like you working hard to keep us all safe. We all owe you our relentless gratitude. Thank you for all that you do.
Honestly, the mahi that I have seen each and every day is just incredible. I want you to all know that it's appreciated so much. Your resilience, your kindness, your mana is amazing, and we are very lucky to have each and every single one of you in our networks.
I just want to take this opportunity to acknowledge what an incredibly difficult past 2 years it's been, and want to thank you all for your hard work, dedication, integrity, and all the additional work that you've been putting in to get through these challenging times. I'm incredibly proud of the work that you have all done, the role that you have played, always putting patients first and supporting colleagues throughout this time. I just want to take this opportunity once again to extend a big heartfelt thank you to you all.
Although it feels inadequate, today I would like to say thank you for your efforts over the last 2 years. It has not been easy. Thank you for your support, the real heroes of the pandemic. And that's what I think. You're the real heroes of the pandemic. Thank you, teams.
I just want to take a moment to say thank you to our teams across the Green Cross network for all the work that you've done through this COVID pandemic, especially the last 3 or so months where there's been a huge amount of work and effort put in. I want to acknowledge that effort and say thank you. Over the past months, I've spent time out in practices speaking to people within our teams, and it's been really inspiring, the stories I've heard. The amount of change that's had to be navigated through the RAT tests that have been put out and distributed through primary care, to the change in the swabbing operations, to the impact on our teams, both them personally and their whānaus, with navigating and working with COVID and getting COVID. The complexity of the environment that you've worked through has been inspiring, and we are all very proud of the effort and the work that has been put in as you've cared for your communities across New Zealand. You truly are awesome in all the work that you're doing, and we really do appreciate that, so thank you. Please know the support office is here to help in any way that we can. Do not hesitate to reach out to myself and my team. We're here to help. I want to take some time to celebrate some of our medical awards. We haven't had an opportunity to have a conference in the last 2 years due to COVID, and we didn't want to wait any longer. We are planning for our next conference and are excited about that, but wanted to take the opportunity now to share the winners of the awards with you. The first award is Kaitea Kitanga, Care for Our Community Award, and that goes to Silverstream Health Centre in Upper Hutt. Our second award is Kotahitanga, Work Together Award, and that goes to the Doctors' Jury in Auckland. Our third award is the Manakitanga, Look After Each Other Award, and that goes to the Doctors Motueka in the Upper South Island. Our fourth award is Tutika, Do the Right Thing Award. That goes to the Doctors Green Lane in Auckland. Our fifth award, the Equity Award, goes to the Doctors Tikipanga in Northland. Our final award is the Innovations and New Initiatives Award, and that goes to the Doctors Onehunga in Auckland. These are truly amazing people and practice teams. They live and breathe the values and do that for their patients and with their teams across New Zealand every day. It's really right to acknowledge them, and I want to thank them and congratulate them. We will have more information coming out about the awards in our next newsletter, so do keep an eye out for that. I just want to take the opportunity to say Happy Easter to you and your whānau. I hope you have a safe and happy break for those that can. For those that are working through, I also want to acknowledge and say thank you. We do appreciate the effort that you're putting in for our communities. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Kia ora.